In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock someone on Venmo. If you previously blocked someone on Venmo and now want to reconnect or allow payments and requests again, the process is pretty simple. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along on either an iPhone or an Android device. Start by opening the Venmo app on your phone. Before anything else, make sure you're using the latest version of the app, since menu locations can sometimes change slightly with updates. Once the app is open, sign into your account if you haven't already. From the main screen, go to the Me tab at the bottom of the app. This is where you can access your personal account settings and profile options. After that, look for the settings gear icon and tap it to open your account settings menu. Inside settings, scroll until you find privacy, then tap on it. This section controls who can interact with you and what other users can see. In the privacy menu, find and select blocked users. Venmo manages blocked accounts from this section, so this is where you'll see the people you've previously blocked. Now browse through your blocked users list and find the person you want to unblock. Once you see their name, tap on their profile to open it. After their profile opens, tap the three-dot menu, usually shown in the top corner of the screen. This will bring up additional options for that account. From the menu, select Unblock User. Venmo will then ask you to confirm the action just in case you tapped it by accident. When that confirmation appears, tap Unblock User again to finalize it. Once you've done that, the person should be removed from your blocked users list. That's how you can verify the unblock was successful. If their name no longer appears there, the process is complete. After unblocking someone, you should be able to interact with them again on Venmo. That includes sending or receiving payments and requests and being able to find each other's profiles again. Blocking on Venmo normally prevents both people from sending payments or requests to each other and from interacting with each other's profiles, so unblocking restores that access. If you're following these steps and don't see the exact same layout, check whether your app needs an update and then try again. But in most cases, the path is the same. Me, settings, privacy, blocked users, select the profile, open the three-dot menu, and confirm unblock user. And that's all it takes to unblock someone on Venmo.